Hello people, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna see a full face makeup tutorial using cheapest product which I bought it from Nykaa. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So here I have this box of all the cheapest products. I have a couple of products. All this makeup were priced at rupees 1100, so I spent a total of 1100 bucks. So here it is. If you can see, I have the foundation, the eyelashes and all stuff which is included. I'll show you the step by step. So I'm done with my skincare. So I won't be applying moisturizer because I have already applied moisturizer onto my face, so I won't be applying any moisturizer. I'll directly start off with the foundation because usually I don't prime my face. I don't use primer. Here we go with the foundation. This is the Lasting Glow foundation from L18 and it is priced at rupees 100. So this was the shade. 3 shades were available, so this was the closest shade which I could spot. I don't know how it would match. The consistency is good. So it comes with a glass bottle. With the packaging, it's okay. I think for a product of 100 rupees, this package is nice. So this is how it looks. This is the consistency, and I'm really wishing that it should not be a blunder. Okay, not a bad match. So this is my makeup blending brush, that is pack 231. This is how it looked after one coat. If I go with another coat, it will make my skin look really pale because I couldn't find any good match for my skin tone because I use NC35 in MAC. Coming to the coverage, it is kind of low to medium coverage, not medium to high. It's a lightweight foundation. I just forgot that I had a corrector, color corrector for my under eyes. This is the color corrector from Inside Cosmetics, and I feel this shade would be good, which will act as a good corrector. Generally, I use corrector before using the foundation. Again with the foundation with one more layer, with one more coating. Coming to the price of the corrector, this is NC35 Tangy Orange by Inside Cosmetics. This was priced at rupees 100. I got a duo stick from Inside Cosmetics. So this is a contour plus highlighter. So I got 2 products in only one product. So this was priced at rupees 210. I think I'm getting 2 products, so spending 210 bucks in 2 products in place of 1 product is a good thing to do. And this is again from Inside Cosmetics. So this is a duo 2-in-1 stick and I got a shade of 02 Coffee. I think it's kind of creamy. I do wish it blends well. I'll try to blend this product with the help of my fingertips. I think it does blend really well. Um, I feel this is not bad as a product. So for baking my under eye, because you can still, the corrector still shows up, just to make it up, I will use my product that is from Wet n Wild, the contouring palette. So for eyebrows, I have got this eyebrow stick. This is eyebrow pencil from Swiss Beauty. So this was priced around 65 rupees. It does comes with a spoolie here on top, just to give it a brush. Okay guys, so I'm done with the eyebrows. I just used my spoolie because this spoolie was really not working for me. So I think I did justice to this product from my end, because I'm very lame using eyebrow pencils. I generally use eyebrow fillers, basically eyebrow cakes, eyebrow powders, which we get, but it's okay. Next product, that is our Kajal. So I got this Kajal Get Bold Kajal pencil from Blue Heaven, and this was priced at rupees 65, and it does comes with a sharpener, so that's a good part. You can sharpen whenever the tip is, blunt. So yeah, this is the thing. So let's see how it does work. If I swatch this, I think this is not a bad product. As you can see, the swatch is kind of good only, and it does have a medium pigmentation. So the look which I am planning for, the smoky look, I think this would work. So I'm gonna go with outer layer. Okay, not a bad choice at all with the kajal. I was a bit disappointed with the eyebrow pencil, but I think for now we are good. I'm going with the angular brush, as you can see, for the smudging part. Okay, it does smudge really well, as you can see the difference. Yeah, I think it did smudge really well, which I thought, and it does works well for the look which I have thought. I'll do the same for the other eye. So I have smudged both the eyes. So let's get to the eye makeup. And for the eye makeup, I have two options, because I couldn't get a eyeshadow palette, under 100 or 100 to 200 range. So I have got this eyeshadow palette. This is, I think, one color, one single color, that is shimmery black from Miss Claire. It's priced at rupees 160. And I have another Swiss Beauty eyeshadow. This is again priced at rupees 229. I think Swiss Beauty launched these metallic eyeshadows long ago, and these were really famous, and I wanted to use it. So this doesn't come under the cheapest, but it does come under the affordable range. So 200 to 300 is also a good thing to go. And for eyes, I didn't wanted to take any chance, so I think you can go with this 160 thing in the cheapest category, and the 229 thing in the affordable range. So let's go and see how they work. This is how it looks. This kind of shimmery. Let's swatch. Oh my god. Can you see the shimmer? Subtle. It's like a subtle shimmer, but I think coming to the pigmentation, it's not that pigmented. Some amount of product and going with the crease part. I'm gonna take help of my brush because with fingertips it's not gonna happen. I'm gonna smoothen out the excess. So I just went with one coat, just one coat, and this does looks good. It does looks good. Next up, I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty one because I'm really excited to use this. Let me shake it. And so okay, let me show you the swatch. Okay, can you see the pigment? This looks so amazing and I'm really excited to use it. So I'm just going with the crease. I think this looks amazing, and the minute I added this into my eyelid on top of the Kajal and the eyeshadow from Miss Claire, this does looks really good. Can you see the difference between this eye and the other eye? This looks amazing, guys. So let me complete the second eye and get back to you. Yeah, guys, so I am done with the eyes, and for eyelashes I'm going with these eyelashes, 3D Studio Effect eyelashes from again Swiss Beauty. I think this brand Swiss Beauty, Inside Cosmetics, Blue Heaven, L18, they have a lot of cheapest and affordable range of products, and you can give it a second thought regarding these products. And amongst the product which I used, some were really good, as this Swiss Beauty one. This looks amazing. Can you see? This looks really amazing, and the look which I'm going to create, I think I would be successful in it. So this is how it comes, and I have never used eyelashes before. So let me quickly do the eyelashes and get back to you. Hi guys, so I'm back and I'm done with the eyes. I just applied mascara onto my bare eyelashes only. I used my mascara only. So for lipstick, I'm gonna go with Inside Makeup Essentials, and this is in the shade Warm Nude A16 lipstick. This is how it looks. Let me show you the swatch. Okay. So this is how it looks. It's kind of orange shade, orange and a brownish mix. Okay, it's just one coat, and I don't think it's that bad of a product. I think the pigment is good, and this is kind of beach neon. And yes, I also got the mascara. I just forgot. This is from the Inside Cosmetics again, and this mascara was priced at rupees 110. So this comes with a spoolie on top. This is the one, the rough one, which also you can use for brushing up your eyelashes, and this one is for smudging the eyelashes, you know, the for setting the volume whichever you want. And yeah, this is how the wand looks. And for the blush, I didn't get any product range from 100 or 200. It was all above 300 and all, so I didn't get any blushes, and which were available to me, the options, they were out of stock. So I'm gonna use this lipstick only to use like a blush. For highlighter, I'm gonna go with this same duo stick what we got from Inside Cosmetics. Okay, let me go with this here, here in my Cupid's bow. Okay. I think it did uplift my face to a certain level there, and let me change my attire and then I'll get back to you. Hi people, so I'm back. So this is my final look. This is how my face looks, and for the makeup fixing part, I didn't get any makeup fix spray which was the cheapest and which was affordable. I just fixed my makeup with the Makeup Fix Plus by MAC, which I use it regularly, and I'm in love with this with that Fix Plus. So yeah, this is how it looks. So I think this is not a bad choice, and nobody can spot that I have used all the products under rupees 100, or all of these makeup, the full face makeup costed me like only 1100 bucks. So I think this is not a bad choice, and the foundation also I think matches my skin tone. I really did try to create with the cheapest products that I liked was the shimmery eyeshadow from the Swiss Beauty, the gel eyeshadow which they launched, and that is the best product I think I have ever liked. And I think I do like the foundation also because it matches my skin tone, and getting a foundation which matches your exact skin tone in the cheapest range is really difficult, because especially Indian brands don't really pull off those Indian skin tone foundation shades. So I think this really works well for me, and I do like the contouring stick, the duo sticks, not the highlighting one. Highlighting one is also average, it's okay, but the contouring, especially the contour stick was really good. Hi guys, so this is how my skin looks in under sunlight and under natural lighting. I think I shot this whole video under natural lighting itself, but now I'm under sunlight, and this is how my skin looks, whole look looks, and I think this is not a bad look to either pull off. And yeah, if you liked my video, please hit a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.